and cutting up, keeping it real. Watching our Demon Deacons play today, and I wanted to show you this easy breakfast thing that you make ahead, put in the freezer, and then it's ready to go. Pop it out of the freezer, put them in the microwave or in an oven, and heat them back up. My boys love these. I have them in the freezer year round. They're called Wentifred's Sausage Muffins. You start out with a bag of original Thomas English muffins. You can choose the whole wheat, whatever flavor's good for you. Totally doesn't matter. And then cut those in two. Spray them with a little bit of spray butter. Put them in your oven on 400 for about 10 minutes until they brown like this. Okay, just want them to toast. Meanwhile, on your stovetop, you brown 1 pound of sausage, your choice, heat in the sausage, and then you add a jar, 2 jars actually, of Old English cheddar if you can find it. It's kind of hard to find. So if I can't find that, I just use Velveeta. So today I use Velveeta. So I put a half of a block of Velveeta in here. Now, this is where you just spoon about a tablespoon of your sausage mixture, sausage and cheese on top of each English muffin. And then you stick them back in a 400-degree oven and let them melt. Let the cheese kind of melt down and spread over the whole thing, and then simply fast freeze them, and just stick them in your freezer for a little while, or let them cool completely, and then you can actually bag them in a freezer bag, a Ziploc freezer bag, and put them in your freezer, and they'll be ready to take out 1 at a time or 2 at a time, whatever, for breakfast. And actually, your middle school and high school kids can do this themselves in the morning when everybody's hustle bustle trying to get ready for work.